Hey guys, today I'm gonna review Relay Business Banking. If you're looking for a fee-free, flexible business bank account, Relay Business Banking might be the perfect fit for your business in 2025. Let's dive into what it offers. First of all, we'll check key features of Relay. It has no monthly fees and no minimum balance. It is perfect for small businesses. It also has multiple checking accounts to easily organize expenses. It also has smart cash management tools for automated payments and financial tracking. It also has seamless integration with QuickBooks and Xero for hassle-free accounting. Let's talk about if it's best for small business owners or not. It is designed for entrepreneurs and small businesses specifically that need digital-first banking with advanced financial tools. Is Relay the right fit for your business? Well, I have already told you that it is great for small business owners and freelancers who want a fee-free, user-friendly banking experience. So it's not ideal for those who need physical branches or specialized banking service. Have you ever tried Relay Business Banking before? You can drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe for more business banking reviews and financial tips.